Hello friend, today we are going to study about a chapter of class 9, India, size and location. In this chapter you will study about the India, its geographical feature. In the past, India was known as Bharat or Hindustan. If you will see the location in the world map, one side there is a Indochina in the east, and on the other side west Arabian Peninsula is there, and at the south there is a Indian Ocean. Okay, because of its name Indian Ocean, you just understand India was very popular, very famous, and it was having very good importance in the world history. And because of that, only one country in the world which has the ocean named after it. Now, I'm going to tell you the location and size of India. India, according to the area, India is the seventh largest country in the world. Before it, Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. And after then, India comes. It carry 2.42% of total land of the world. And if you convert this percentage into square kilometer, then India has 3.28 million square kilometer of area. Hmm. India's distance from north to south is 3,214 kilometer. And if you want to check the size, the length between east and west, that is 2,933 kilometer. India has a land boundary, mainland of India. It has 15,200 kilometer. Means our boundary is to 15,200 kilometer. And coastal line of peninsular India, coastal line of Andaman and Nicobar island group, coastal line of Lakshadweep island groups. We have total 7,516.6 kilometer coastal line. Now, I'm just going to tell you the latitudinal distance. Okay, and India is the country of northern hemisphere, and because it, if you just see from the equator, India's location is in the north, so that's why we called India is a country of northern hemisphere. The southernmost line passes, that is 8 degree 4 minute north, and at the north topmost point of India is located on 37 degree 6 minute north. This is latitudinal distance of India. And at the middle of India, in any map, means not in any map but mostly map, you can see Tropic of Cancer is passes through the middle of India. Or you can see it divide India almost into two halves. The southern part of that Tropic of Cancer is known as tropical region, and north of that Tropic of Cancer is known as the tropical region. The land which is surrounded by ocean from three sides, that is called peninsula, and southern part of India is a peninsular India. It divides the water bodies into two parts. One side Bay of Bengal in the east, and in the west there is the Arabian Sea. In the south Indian Ocean is there, and where all these three water bodies meet, that is known as Kanyakumari. Next, longitudinal distance of India. In this way, India is in Eastern Hemisphere. Because India is located in the eastern part of the world, and longitudinal distance, if you will see the western line of longitude, the most western line of the longitude, that is 68 degree and 7 minute, and eastern point, eastern line is 97 degree east. And if you just see the difference between these two lines, it is almost 30 degree. But why I'm just asking you what is the difference? Why I'm telling you the difference between these two longitudinal lines? Right now I'm just making you understand. The earth is rotated, and its rotation, one rotation complete in 24 hours. And these 24 hours carry 360 degree, 180 degree in the eastern side and 180 degree in the western side. So these 360 degree rotation covered in 24 hours. It means 1 degree covered in 4 minutes. 1 degree of longitudinal line covered in 4 minutes. Okay, how do we fix the time? We have to fix a point from where we calculate the 24 hours of a day. So this is a method when the sun is just above your head. That is midday, or that is 12 o'clock of the day. Okay, when the sun comes next day on your overhead, that completed 1 day or 24 hours. Okay. So according to that position of sun, if we fix a time of a place, that is called local time. And this local time is varied place to place. The difference between these two places, Arunachal Pradesh, the easternmost point of Arunachal Pradesh to westernmost point of Gujarat, having 2 hour difference. Why? Because 1 degree covered in 4 minutes, and the difference between these 2 points is 30 degree longitudinal line. So to cover that point to this point is taking 2 hours. Okay, so if we will fix the time according to the local time, or we fix the time of watch according to local time, it will make a huge confusion, because every people have different time, every person have different time. So how do we solve this problem? How do we solve this problem? It is through standard meridian of India. Standard meridian of India is 82 degree and 30 minute east. Okay, now again a question comes that why do we fix standard meridian on 82 degree 30 minute, which passes through Mirzapur, Allahabad? The reason is, it is a general opinion of the world. They fix their standard time according to the degree, which can be completely divided by 7 degree and half minute. And our 82 degree and half minute is almost divided by 7 degree and half minutes. So that's why we fix our standard meridian according to 82 degree and 30 minutes. Now, the boundary of India. The peninsular India, it is covered 3 sides by ocean. or by water body. One side is Indian Ocean at the south. In eastern side there is a Bay of Bengal. In the western side there is Arabian Sea. And land boundary we shared with Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh also. And neighboring country in the south, Sri Lanka and Maldives through the ocean. We have fairly a regular coastal line, and because of this we do not have so many natural harbor. And Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambar we have in Gujarat, and Chilka Lake in the east of Odisha. We have two islands groups. One is Andaman and Nicobar, and it is made up of volcanic eruption. And you can see volcanic eruption is still there. The last southern point is known as Indira Point, and it is, you can say, the southernmost point of the India. But right now it is merged because of tsunami activity. And the southernmost point of India's mainland, that is Kanyakumari. And in the in the southwest we have Lakshadweep island group, and this island group is made up of coral.